Settle down. Hey, hey, hey. Stay. Don't go out. I know you're excited, but you gotta stay. Stay.
Boy, she is a small dog.
He thought we have a small dog.
No, she's smaller than Stella.
Get back in there. Get back in there.
She's a puppy. She must.
Here. Hello everybody, and thanks for joining the Outdoor Couple. Today we are hunting ring-necked pheasants with our good friends the Giannatas at QUAIL Point Hunt Club located in Zamora, California. This 2,000-acre ranch consists of rolling hills and grassy cover. We are going to air our dogs and get started hunting. So come along. All right, she's out.
Stella's on the run.
Watch your step.
Yeah, get him closer in. Closer in.
She's just still getting her jollies out.
Hey! Here! Here! At this rate, she's going so fast she'd run right over it.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go, right here. There's your point. Whoa! Don't walk up behind the dog, please. Walk around her front. Whoa! Whoa, Stella. Whoa. Oh. There. There it goes. That's it up.
It's a runner.
Atta girl.
Did you see that, Remo?
Oh, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
You got the bird, Mega?
Yeah.
That's a big hen. Wow. Good girl. Come here. Come here, Roo.
Whoa. You're still alive.
Remo, come see Uncle Steve. Come on. Remo, bird. Remo, bird.
Bull.
The bird. Remo, bird.
Come here.
Bird.
Heel. Stay.
Bird, Remo.
Stay.
Bird.
Easy, easy.
Bird.
Soft, Remo, soft.
Up. Up.
Hey, come here.
There you go, Remo.
Get the scent, boy.
Okay, that's one.
He's got the scent. How many?
Hey! Come on. She's gonna come on another bird here any minute. Here it is, here it is. She's getting sent. Hey! Oh, right here, right here. Here! Here we go. Here, oh, whoa, whoa!
Nice point.
All right. It's gonna be right in front of her nose. Whoa! Good girl. Whoa! Come right up in front of her. Whoa! 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 Go on, walk in there, Pasquale. No! Whoa! Look where she's looking. Whoa!
Big mooch on to your left.
Okay. Whoa!
It's probably a hen.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, fuck.
There it is! Here! Come on! Heel. 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 Come on, heel. Heel. Get in here. Good
There you
girl.
go.
Good girl.
Nice point, Stella.
Fine. Here we go, right here. Whoa, whoa. All right, Pat. Walk right up to her face.
You back up?
No, I don't need backup.
No, are you the
Yeah,
backup?
I'll
Yeah, I'll get over here.
Holy shit.
We hit it, Megaluch.
There it goes. It's going to die right there.
Yeah.
Watch it.
Boom.
Down. That's dead.
We both hit that spot.
Yep.
Here, I'll go get it.
You going to go get it?
Yeah.
Here. Come here. Stella.
It's crawling.
Here. Right on that road.
I know, it's crawling.
Heel. Hi on. Here comes a dog.
You sit.
There we go.
Find the bird. Here. Find it. Heel. You're going too fast. Slow down. Here. Right in here. Good girl. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Get it. Good girl, Stella.
You should be able to slide it in just like that. Here. Heel.
Oh shit, got hit in the head. That was
Here. Heel. Oh, really?
No, I
Headshot. So let it.
Yeah, with the beak, it's like I can't get it in there.
Okay. Heel. Heel. Heel.
One more squeeze, make it still
Here.
twitching.
Hi on.
No, it won't come out.
Oh, he ain't going anywhere. Hey,
This is yours, Brent.
slow down.
You want your pack?
Listen, I think there's something over here. But you don't need to. There we go. Easy. Easy.
I'll go.
Okay.
Go, G.
Whoa. Whoa. Good girl. Whoa. Walk this way, G, in front of her face. Don't walk behind the dog. Otherwise, she'll run up on it.
Got it right here, maybe?
No, keep going, coming wide and walk right to her face. Whoa! I'm not shooting, so. Brenda, move in so you can cover them.
Yeah. Now I get.
Whoa! It's right there in front of her nose. Whoa!
And gets another hen.
Whoa! All right, go ahead, man. Walk in there. If it busts up at your feet, just give it a little time to get out, you know. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, it's dead.
Oh. There it goes. Okay. Come on. Was your safety on?
Fucking safety was on, Squall.
Go get that bird.
God damn it.
There you go. Whoa. Whoa. Pat, move in and back them up. Where are you? Whoa. Whoa. No, whoa. Go ahead, G. Walk right in there. Whoa. 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 It's dead. It's alive, man. Take it here. Just kick it from her. Go in there and kick it. There it goes. Don't shoot the dog. Oh. Hey! Come here. Hey, Pasquale! Come on over here and shoot a bird, man.
I'll take him, Squall.
All right, then Gio's going on the next one. Here. Here. Oh, right there in front. Whoa. 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 She's not pinned it yet. Whoa! Whoa! Right in front of her nose. There it is, right here. Walk in there, dude. Whoa! Easy. There it is. There it is. In front of her. Whoop. I'm giving you one shot. It's a nice rooster. Nice rooster. Here, heel, heel. Sure, I'll take him. Here, heel. There you go. Perfect. Where's Stella?
She's right behind you.
Hey, heel.
Well, that one didn't head for me.
Find a bird. Whoa, whoa. She's got it in here somewhere.
Yeah. She's looking.
Find that bird. Come on.
It's got to be right there then.
Find that bird. Come on, find that bird. Moving. Back here? It's right here. It's right here.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna kick it out this way.
Nice shot. Wow.
Fetch it up. telling you.
She can go right by him.
Yeah.
Grass is so dry. Here. This one's going to be bad.
Good girl.
Outdoor couple. We're up here in QUAIL Point, Zamora, California. We just finished hunting with our friends at Giannatta's, and we had a great hunt. Had a great hunt today. I'm tired. We're all kind of tired, right? I know. He's like, hey, I'll eat that head. All right. We'll see you on the next one.